So before we jump into coding, let's talk about environment setup. What all softwares we need? What all computer configuration we need to change? We don't need to change any computer configuration, and we need only few softwares to install just to begin with. The first will be VS Code, which I will be using because I like to keep my coding files into my computer. So this is a code editor which looks something like this. I've set up the theme to darker color. You can choose your theme based on that. You can download it from its official website. You just search VS Code and it'll take you to its home page. I have Mac, so I can download it Mac version. But if you have a different computer, it supports different operating system. It supports Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. You can download it from here, follow the instruction, and get it installed. The other place which we can use is JSFiddle. This is online platform just to try out your JavaScript or HTML or CSS code. You can just sign up here, log in and sign up, but it will let you run your code even without signing up. So for example, if I write something in here, and if I just hit on run, it will display here. So this is actual web page, which is coming as blank as I explained you. The only thing which comes into web page is HTML. The JavaScript works behind the scene to manipulate the HTML structure or styling or make it more interactive. So if I run after writing anything in HTML, it will come here. If I have any CSS style, I can write it here. It will again display it here. But for our purpose, because this code does log into the console, so we have to see only them in the console. So for our course purpose, we don't need HTML, so we can basically make this screen something look like this. Even for now, we don't, if we don't need this, can open and close, something like that. So this is another quick setup tool. I mean, you don't need any setup. You just need to log on to jsfiddle.net and you can just start from there. But I will be using my favorite code editor, which is Visual Studio Code. There you can create a folder in your computer and just import that folder here. So even if you have existing code or if you want to add any new line of code or new file, that you can add here and quickly you can access all those files over here. So I'll be using this Visual Studio Code. That's it. Thank you.